Hello, sis. Hey, ngayon lang ako napatawag sa'yo kasi mahihiramin sana ako sa'yo. $2,500. Oo, syempre babayaran kita. 1 month. May bibiliin lang ako. Bibiliin ko yung Louis Vuitton na Escale on the go. Yung GM, yung malaki. Yeah, $2,500. Meron na akong 400 eh. So, 2,500 na lang. Ano ka mo, sis? $2,500? Are you kidding me? Well, you're not gonna spend $2,860 on a bag if you cannot afford it. So, ganito na lang. Habang nag-iipon ka ng pambili niyan, and you really wanted to use it right away, punta ka dito sa bahay and we will buy a bag at the thrift store and some paint in Dollar Tree, those acrylic paint, and we can make that happen. We will make a bag that would look like it a little bit. How's that? Okay, so bye for now and I'll see you. Let's make that bag. So we picked this plain tote bag, and these are the paints from the Dollar Tree, and then we paint the whole bag. Like there's no space or colors left. Like in between those colors, we even have to paint it white. So yeah, and you just paint it over and over until you reach the color that you want. So yeah, that's just how it is. And then when it's done, when the whole bag is painted, you will make a stencil of all those little logos. And I didn't put the LV logo because we don't want to be in trouble. So anyway, so yeah. So there, what do you think? Diba okay na? Pwede na yan, kesa $2,860. O, diba? We only spend $25. Pwede na yan. Pagtiyagaan mo na. Ay sis, pwede na nga. Oh my gosh. $25. Wow. Dapat talaga naniniwala ako talaga sa'yo.